Hi guys, this is Eamon, aka the Killer Monster, and I just got my IPSY glam bag for August. Let's see what's in it. So first we have this NeuStyling hair smoothing cream. You apply it in your hair when it's wet and then you blow dry it out. It was very easy to use. You just use a pea size in your hair. I start from my ends, work my way all the way to my roots, but I focus more on the ends and then I just blow dried it. That's the only product I use. I just wanted to see how it works and it is so good. Not only it gave me volume, it actually made my ends smoother than they usually look. Usually I have to go with a straightener and smooth them out, but they don't look that bad. I'm not mad at it. I love it. So next we have the H2O Plus Moisturizer. I'm obsessed with it because I'm personally very dry. My skin is very dry, especially my under eye. And I really focused it on my under eye before I applied makeup today and it looks flawless. There's no cracks, there's no dry patches. I can barely even see the wrinkles. I'm so excited. You're supposed to apply all over your face and your neck. Little goes a long way. I only just used pea size and it was super good. It is a hydrating gel, so it's good for oily skin, dry skin, all skin types. It's gonna look great on everybody. So next we have this Cosmetic blush. You guys already know I'm a blush queen. This is my favorite makeup product in general. Like if anybody could ask me if you could wear one product to leave the house, it would be blush. I cannot leave the house without blush. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so important, especially for people of color. I feel like it brings out all your color and evens you out. Just blush. You don't even have to bronze. I even use it as my transition color for my eye, and I think it just brings the whole look together. The next item in my glam bag that I used was a shadow stick from Beauty For Real. It is so user friendly. I was shook. You literally just pull it off and then the shadow just rolls on. And I put it on my eye and it was such a beautiful color. I think it went so well with the blush. It's not shimmery, but it's not like matte. It's just like the perfect consistency to give you like a nice glow, and it was so easy to blend out. I used my finger and I also used a brush. It worked the same way. Last but not the least, we got this Jersey Shore Cosmetic lip balm. It is a moisturizing rich hydrating balm and it's watermelon flavor. I love watermelon flavored candy or anything. It just tastes so good. It's organic with organic ingredients and it feels so good on my lips. I always put a lip balm on before I apply lip liner because it makes the lip liner go on smoother. And what I did with this, I put this on, I applied lip liner and then I put this back on and kind of blend it all out, and it gave me that natural pouty lips. I have only used the lip liner on and that's it. So guys, this is my finished look. Hope you guys liked it. I loved every single product in this month's IPSY glam bag. I am obsessed with the blush. I cannot wait to wear it every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Eamon and I will see you in the next video. Bye!